Before you buy that shiny new SUV or sedan, there's something you need to know. Every year, thousands of cars barely make it past 50,000 miles before their engines fail, transmissions collapse, or electronics short out. These aren't obscure brands either. We're talking about some of the most popular cars on the road. So why are these vehicles dying young? And more importantly, how did the companies behind them get away with it? Let's dive into the shocking truth, starting with a family favorite that's quietly ruining thousands of wallets. The family trap, Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue looks reliable. It's affordable, family-friendly, and everywhere on the road. But behind that reputation lies one of the most failure-prone transmissions in modern history. Owners report the CVT transmission slipping, jerking, or dying completely, sometimes under 40,000 miles. Nissan has faced years of lawsuits and warranty claims, yet the problem keeps resurfacing in newer models. Imagine making payments on a car that's still under warranty, only to be told your transmission replacement costs more than the car is worth. That's the story for thousands of Rogue owners. Stranded, frustrated, and ignored. But the Rogue isn't alone. The engine killer, Chevy Equinox. Chevrolet promised the Equinox was built to last, but under the hood it hides a time bomb. Oil consumption issues that quietly destroy engines long before they hit 50,000 miles. Some drivers noticed their oil vanishing between changes, only to discover the engine had been running dry for weeks. Others faced full engine replacements that GM refused to cover. The worst part? GM knew about it for years, yet continued selling the same flawed design. And just when you think paying more means reliability, the next car proves even luxury badges aren't safe. The luxury lie, BMW 3 Series. Luxury cars promise perfection, smooth rides, power, and prestige. But many BMW 3 Series owners found themselves stuck on the side of the road, wondering how a $50,000 car could fail before 50,000 miles. From faulty fuel pumps to fragile cooling systems, these cars break faster than you'd expect. The catch? Repairs often cost 5 to 10 times more than mainstream cars. It's the kind of betrayal that makes people swear off luxury forever. But BMW isn't the only one. Another premium brand took that disappointment even further. The premium breakdown Acura TLX. Acura built its name on reliability until the TLX came along. Drivers began reporting harsh shifting, sudden stalls, and total transmission failure within just a few years. Many couldn't even sell their cars without massive losses. And while Honda, Acura's parent company, quietly fixed later versions, early buyers were left holding the bill. A premium price for a car that couldn't even hit 50,000 miles without begging for mercy. But what about brands known for safety? Unfortunately, even the family-first companies aren't innocent. The safety myth, Subaru Outback. Subaru sells trust, safety, adventure, and reliability. But behind that image lies a disturbing trend. Thousands of Outback and Forester owners reported oil-burning issues so bad that engines locked up mid-drive. Some families even faced engine fires traced back to leaky seals and oil consumption that Subaru ignored for years. The cars that were supposed to protect families ended up putting them at risk. And yet, what's coming next takes the concept of failure to a whole new level. The future failure, Tesla Model Y. Electric cars were supposed to be the future, smooth, efficient, and nearly maintenance-free. But the Tesla Model Y has proven that high-tech doesn't always mean reliable. Owners have reported battery pack faults, suspension failures, and fit and finish issues within months of purchase. In some cases, full battery replacements cost over $18,000, nearly a third of the car's price. Tesla's rapid production growth meant quality control suffered, and early buyers became beta testers. The future of driving shouldn't come with a repair bill that big, but the most shocking failure isn't an EV or a luxury car. It's one of the most trusted family names in America. The worst offender, Nissan Pathfinder. Few cars have let down their owners quite like the Nissan Pathfinder. It was supposed to be the ultimate family SUV, reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Instead, it became the poster child for catastrophic CVT failure. Some Pathfinders didn't even reach 30,000 miles before the transmission collapsed. Families on vacation found themselves stranded in the middle of highways with no help and no accountability. Despite years of complaints, Nissan dragged its feet on recalls and blamed driving conditions. It wasn't the conditions, it was the design, and they knew it. When you pay tens of thousands for a car meant to carry your family safely, discovering it was built to fail is more than frustrating. It's betrayal. The hidden truth behind early death. These aren't isolated stories. They're symptoms of a bigger automotive problem, one where speed, profit, and marketing matter more than long-term reliability. Cars used to last 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Today, many struggle to make it past 50,000. The reason? Cost cutting, lighter materials, thinner metals, cheaper transmissions, and untested electronics. But here's the real truth. These cars didn't just fail early. They failed you, the people who believed in the badge, trusted the brand, and paid for quality that never came. So before you buy your next bargain, remember, sometimes the real cost doesn't show up until it's too late. Which car on this list shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts below and make sure to share this with someone before they buy their next mistake.